Hello, friends. I welcome you all to this session on Python programming. And in this lecture, I'll be telling you that how to evaluate or how to check whether a number entered by the user is automorphic number or not. What is automorphic number? So if I square any number and then I check the last digits, so if the last digits of that number come out as the number itself, original number, then that particular number is called as automorphic number. So in this case, let's take 25. So 25 square is 625 and last two digits are nothing but the same number. Okay, and hence this is automorphic number. Likewise, if you take 5, so if you square 5, so you are getting 25. So how many digits are there? 1. So the last digit is 5. So if you take 6, what is square of 6? It is 36. So how many digits are there in 6? 1. So the last digit is 6. Same. So this is again automorphic number. Likewise 76. So the square of 76 is 5776. So how many digits are there? 2. So what are last two digits? Same. So friends, in this way we have to check whether a number is automorphic number or not. So let us make program for it. So first thing first, we require what? Number. Then now you might have observed one thing, that the important thing is that this we can do, okay, but we should know in priori that, or our program should know in priori that I have to check only for last two digits. That's it. Then what? Then the moment I enter the program, enter the number, then I have to count how many digits are there in the number. So how can we do that? So in this case, what I'll do, I will use my log method of evaluating the number of digits in any number. So from math, let's import everything, and then the digits in this number will be nothing but log 10 of this number, and then typecast it to integer and then add 1. That's it, done. So if you just check it, the then let's say 25, so two digits are there. Again, let me demonstrate. Let's say 6 2 4 5. How many digits are there? 4. So this is 4. Okay. So the mathematics behind this I have explained in my first video. I'll leave the link here for that video so that you can refer it. Now once I know the digits, then I have to square this number. Let's say n2 is the square. So how can we do it? N star star 2. Okay. Now once squared, then the same thing we have to do, but this time we needn't have to start from the last digit and go up to the first digit. No, this we needn't have to do. What we have to do? We have to start with the last digit but go up to that digit which is this. So in this case, do we really require while loop? No, not at all. I know this much time my loop has to run. So I can use for loop. So for I in range this, then what I have to do? I have to find the remainder. So remainder is how we can evaluate it is n2 modulo operator 10. Okay, then what? Then I have to sum the digits, but this time remember, look here, it is 5 will come and then 2 will come. So with 5 I have to keep this as such, but with 2 I have to multiply it by 10. Then only it will become 25. How this can be done? Very simple. So first make s as the variable where we will be adding everything. So s assigned s plus whatsoever remainder is coming. If I multiply it by 10 raised to the power I, yeah, you got it right. So what will happen? Initially I will be 0. So this will be s plus r times 10 to the power 0, which is what? 1. So r into 1, so it becomes r only. Okay, and then the next time this will be s assigned s. What is s? It is r now, the previous r. So that plus now whatsoever r will be coming, multiplied by 10 to the power 1. So it becomes 10 times that. So let me show this to you. So print, let's say s, how this is working. So let's take bigger number 125, let's say. So now look. So I have to print this also. Print n2. Okay, so 125. Now what is my n2? It is 15625. How many digits are there? 3. So these 3 I have to take. Okay, now you are guessing right. Why it is coming 555? Because there is a mistake. What is the mistake? I am not reducing n2. Yes, that has to be reduced. So it is 125. Now look. 125 square is 15625. 3 digits are there, so we have to focus only on these 3. So first 5 will come, then that has to be multiplied by, that has to multiply by 10 to the power 0, which is 1. So it becomes 5 only. Then this 5 will come here plus. Now after this step, what will happen? My number will be this only. So 2 will be coming, but that 2 will be multiplied by 10 to the power what? 1. So it becomes 20 plus 5, that is 25. Then the number reduces to 156. So now if I take the remainder, so 6 will come. So this is already 25. Okay, so 25 plus r, what is r? It is 6 now. 6 into 10 to the power 2, that is 600. So 600 plus 25 is 625. That is what it is giving. Okay, so in this way, this particular logic works. Now, once this is done, then I have to simply check if the number is same as this, then print what? This is automorphic number. This is, or the number is automorphic. What number? This one, n, is automorphic. Okay, and if this thing doesn't satisfy, then I have to print that the number is not automorphic. Oh, where it is getting, is not automorphic. So there's no need of writing the here. So let us run it. Okay. Oh, acha. This is the mistake. Now, first number which I know is automorphic is 25. So let us give 25 here. So yes, 25 is automorphic. Okay. So if I give let's say 76. So 76 is automorphic. Let's take another number. Let's take 7. So 7 is not automorphic. Okay. So in this way, this particular program works. So friends, now you know that how to write different types of program for different scenarios. And you have also observed that whenever I am writing any program, I am taking logic, some part of logic from the program which I have developed previously. So friends, always remember, program writing is not very difficult, but the most important part is the logic. So here you have used this logic. Okay, so in this particular lecture, this is the last point, and this is also the last video, last lecture for this playlist. In the coming playlist in the future, I'll be coming up with more numerical problems, bit difficult than what we have done in this playlist. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this playlist, and take care.